people, as you all know, us mother and child always like to review products. Hi, he's like the little YouTube star. So today we are reviewing Milky Mist fruit yogurt, blueberry flavor, and Epigamia. No, yeah, literally I'll say this, that Epigamia in particular I've seen has products that, you know, like I call myself a vegan, but because any other lactose product I have doesn't suit me. But when I have something like Epigamia, where actually my child is that much more sensitive, he does not like to have these, milk products. But Epigamia is such a good brand. Ayush, can you open it for both of us, please?
Okay.
So we are here on a Sunday. Ayush has just finished his bath. Careful. And we will. Okay, I'll open it. Hey people, so we finally have our Epigamia little bowls open. Or take a bite of it, Chiku. How do you like it? You know, I've got my child even dragon fruit and all. Take a bite of it, Chiku. Take it from there, Kutu. Okay. I'll also have a bite, okay? Pretty good, yeah? What's your opinion, Ayush?
Tastes good, but like...
And he likes the blueberry flavor, much like his mother.
Why does this is for the creators? Why is there water?
Yeah, no, it's it's good. So truly Epigamia, you all have a good product on hand. So Ayush and me intend to be regular customers. So truly, on that note, may you all have a happy Sunday, and probiotic rich food is something that is very good for health. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.